In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create reports in Hubstaff. To get started, open Hubstaff and look over to the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu for the platform. From there, click on Reports. This section is where Hubstaff organizes all of its reporting tools, making it easy to review time, activity, attendance, payments, and other important work data in one place. Once you're in the Reports area, the next step is to choose the report category you want to work with. Hubstaff offers several different report types, and each one is designed for a specific purpose. For example, you can select time and activity if you want a broad overview of tracked time and productivity. Daily totals is useful when you want to review total time logged by day. Work sessions gives a more detailed breakdown of individual work periods. Apps and URLs helps you see which applications and websites were used during tracked time. You can also choose expenses, payments, project budgets, shift attendance, or time off balances, depending on the kind of information you need. After choosing the report category, click on the member filter that may currently be set to all members. This filter lets you narrow the report so you only see data for one person instead of the entire team. From the list, select your own name. This is especially helpful if you want a more focused report that only reflects your personal data and makes the results easier to review. Next, set the date range using the calendar. This is an important step because it determines exactly which time period will be included in the report. You can choose a custom range if you need very specific dates, or use the available date options depending on what you're reviewing. Taking a moment to confirm the correct date range can help you avoid exporting or sending incomplete or incorrect information. Once everything is set, you're ready to share or save the report. If you want to export it, click the download icon. This is useful when you need a copy for your records or want to review the data outside of Hubstaff. If you'd rather send the report directly, click the send icon instead. That option is helpful when you need to quickly share the report with someone else. And that's how to create reports in Hubstaff. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll be able to generate, filter, and share the exact report you need with confidence.